HVAC general maintenance tips. Here's a handy list of HVAC general maintenance tips to keep your system running smoothly and efficiently all year long. 1. Replace or clean air filters regularly. Frequency: every 1 to 3 months, depending on usage and filter type. Why? Dirty filters restrict airflow, making your system work harder, leading to higher energy bills and potential damage. 2. Keep vents and registers clean. Check. Ensure vents are open and unblocked by furniture or curtains. Clean. Use a vacuum to remove dust and debris from registers for better airflow. 3. Check your thermostat. Upgrade. Consider a programmable or smart thermostat for better control and energy savings. Test. Make sure the thermostat is reading the temperature accurately. 4. Clear the condensate drain line. Why? Clogs can cause water leaks and humidity issues. How? Flush the line with a mixture of vinegar and water every few months. 5. Inspect and clean the outdoor unit condenser. Remove debris. Keep leaves, dirt, and branches away from the unit. Clean coils. Gently hose down the coils to improve heat exchange efficiency. 6. Inspect ductwork for leaks, signs, higher energy bills, uneven temperatures, or visible dust buildup. Solution: seal small leaks with duct tape or mastic sealant. For larger issues, call a professional. 7. Check refrigerant levels for AC units. Why? Low refrigerant can reduce cooling efficiency and damage the compressor. Pro tip: only a licensed HVAC technician should handle refrigerant checks and recharges. 8. Lubricate moving parts, components. Motors, fans, and bearings may need periodic lubrication to reduce friction and wear. Check your owner's manual for guidance on lubrication points. 9. Test your system seasonally. Spring: test cooling mode before summer hits. Fall: test heating mode before winter. Listen. Unusual noises like banging, hissing, or grinding may signal a problem. 10. Schedule professional maintenance. Frequency: ideally twice a year, once for cooling spring and once for heating fall. Why? A pro can inspect electrical connections, test system performance, and spot early signs of trouble.